They're the deadliest thing on Earth. They suck your blood and spread disease, killing nearly 1 million people each year. Are we talking about vampires? Lions?
Gorillas.
Actually, none of these things. We're talking about mosquitoes.
Are mosquitoes is really this deadly?
What would happen if mosquitoes disappeared from the Earth? It's a question that has intrigued scientists and researchers for years. In this video, we will explore the potential consequences of a world without mosquitoes. To understand the impact of mosquitoes' disappearance, let's first explore their ecological role. Mosquitoes, despite being pesky bloodsuckers, play a significant role in various ecosystems around the world. They serve as a food source for numerous animals, including birds, bats, and other insects. Many species rely on mosquitoes as a primary or supplementary food source during critical stages of their life cycles. The loss of mosquitoes could disrupt these intricate food webs, potentially leading to imbalances in ecosystems. In addition to their role as a food source, mosquitoes also act as pollinators. Although they are not the most efficient pollinators, they contribute to the pollination of certain plant species. Without them, the reproduction of these plants could be affected. Furthermore, mosquitoes have been around for millions of years, and their absence could leave a void in the evolutionary process. It's important to note that some scientists argue that other insects or organisms could potentially fill the ecological niche left by mosquitoes. However, the consequence of such a shift remain uncertain. While it's true that other organisms could step in to fill the void left by mosquitoes, it's difficult to predict the long-term effects. We could see a domino effect, where the absence of mosquitoes triggers a chain reaction, impacting other species and their interactions. Despite the ecological roles mosquitoes play, it's hard to ignore the numerous negative aspects associated with these tiny insects. Mosquito-borne diseases, such as malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus, affect millions of people worldwide and cause significant morbidity and mortality. A world without mosquitoes would likely result in a dramatic reduction in the spread of these diseases. This could potentially save countless lives and relieve the burden on healthcare systems globally. The elimination of mosquitoes would undoubtedly have a positive impact on public health. Malaria alone claims hundreds of thousands of lives each year, and the eradication of mosquitoes would eliminate the primary vector for this disease. However, we must remain cautious and prepare for potential unintended consequences. The complete eradication of mosquitoes could have unforeseen effects on ecosystems and the broader environment. As with any complex ecological system, removing a key species can lead to unpredictable outcomes. To better understand the potential consequences, scientists are studying different approaches to mosquito control, such as genetic modification, to suppress mosquito populations without eradicating them entirely. These approaches aim to minimize the impact on ecosystems while still addressing public health concerns. In conclusion, the disappearance of mosquitoes from Earth would have both positive and negative effects. While it could reduce the spread of diseases and save lives, it may also disrupt ecosystems and create unintended ecological consequences. Striking a balance between mosquito control and environmental preservation is a delicate task that requires further research and consideration.